Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna tell you about the one topic that is preconceived notions. What are the preconceived notions? You must have knowledge of it. Every single person in this planet has the preconceived notions. These preconceived notions kill the curiosity which every single person has in this planet. If you have the curious attitude, so you are gonna learn lots of things, but just because of preconceived notions your curiosity is killed and you stop learning. The day you say I know it all, so knowing it all attitude completely makes you stop learning. The thing is that what is the preconceived notions? Let me share, let me give you an example. I hope so you would understand through this example soon. Some There was a one girl. She was in fifth standard, and along she just fell in love with one boy who was in just also fifth standard, but they both didn't talk with each other. It kept happening up to seventh standard. As boy grew, after seventh standard he left for another university, school and college. So the girl had the preconceived notion. She kept in her mind, now she would not fall in love with any boy. Same after 10 years or after 12 years, that one boy came again in her life when she was completely in just university. She also started liking that boy, loving that boy, but this time she promised herself that she would not fall in love with that boy. Or at last the boy, when came to her, talked with her, she did not emote herself well because of her preconceived notions. And what happened? The boy married the girl's fast friend. The the girl who had the preconceived notions, what boy she needed a kind boy, humble, honest, the all quality what a girl finds in boy, this boy had. But even the girl couldn't get just because of her preconceived notions. Later on, the girl got to know the boy was the same boy whom she used to love, but her preconceived notions refused her to check all. If she did not keep the preconceived notions, if she had not kept the preconceived notions, so what would have happened? She would have asked about that boy. She would have then later on got to know that that boy is same whom she used to love, but she didn't check it all. She killed her curious attitude. It happens. You can see why we kill our curious attitude because of our preconceived notions. So if you want to really become a good learner, if you want to start learning, so you need to think of the beginner's mindsets. You know who are the beginner's mindset people? I should tell you, the beginner mindset people are those. You can take the example of the one boy, a child. You leave a child on the floor. Child starts to touch, starts to play with those things which come across child looks at that thing. You take a look at that child. What that child does? Child does nothing. It's a kind of rubbish. It's a kind of useless stuff which a child is using. But what child does? It has the curiosity. The child is inquisitive because child is born newly, so whole world is new to that child. So whatever comes to the child tries to grab everything, because it doesn't have the preconceived notions. The child doesn't have the preconceived notions. So child, instead of having preconceived notions, the child has curious attitude, which is making child learn more and more. So when some people teach us, so we are supposed to keep our preconceived notions outside of our mind. So what will happen? You will get the knowledge, a piece of knowledge you will get, that would help you, to improve yourself. It would help you make yourself better. So preconceived notions always prevent, hinder, hamper everybody from going ahead. If you have the preconceived notions, it means you are already impeded by your notions. You already have thought, okay, it would happen. No, it would not happen. If you have the preconceived notions, 100%. But if you do not have the preconceived notions, if somebody says to you it would happen, you simply say, okay, let me check at least it would happen or not. If it happens, okay, but let me check. At least I should not be left unturned, and something should not be in my heart that, okay, I did not do it, so let me do it, let me check, because they are the preconceived notions. So the child has the beginner mindset. Child doesn't have the preconceived notion. So that's why you know very well, if a child learns to speak English, Hindi, Marathi, whatever linguistic a child wanna speak, child can do it within a year. But if we want to do it, so we will take 8 years, we will take 2 years, we will take 1.5 years, because we have the preconceived notions. So guys, whenever you are learning something new, take out your preconceived notions out of your mind and start to learn something new, which can help you improve your life. Thank you guys for listening to me.